One of the things that annoy me about these label printers is they never print to the edge of the label. You always have to trim the edge. And doing it with scissors, you never cut it straight or square. So I made this 3D printable tool to cut the end of the label perfectly square and straight. There's enough room to get your finger on either side of the blade, and it works great, even for small cuts. The label cutting tool uses a standard safety razor that can slide in, and you press it in until it hits that hard stop, and that keeps the blade away from the edge so little ones won't accidentally cut their finger on the blade. To remove the blade, find a small screwdriver and you can push the blade out the side. The label cutter can cut labels up to 32 millimeters wide. If you'd like one for yourself, I left a link in the description below where you can download and 3D print one for free. As long as it's not for resale or for profit, this is just for personal use. If you have any suggestions for improvement, please let me know in the description below, and thanks again for watching.